小丑竟是我自己。小丑竟是我自己。This statement consists of 3 parts. 小丑竟是我自己。小丑 clown. 竟 surprisingly. 是 is. 我自己 myself. The phrase 小丑竟是我自己 literally translating to the clown is surprisingly myself originated from Chinese internet slang, indicating a sense of self-mockery. People use this phrase when encountering unexpected situations, like when they have made some basic mistakes or conducted some foolish actions. And they may use this word to describe themselves as acting like a clown. The use of this term is more about expressing a sense of humor and joy, which helps to alleviate the embarrassment of self-missteps. 小丑丑